Okay, finally back with another SPY video. This is for the S&P 500. We have now covered this whole complete $5 range in a matter of 5 days. So tremendous move going forward. Volume has kind of trailed off noticeably here, so today may not have had the amount of participants in the trade that I would like to see on a breakout such as this. We did put in a new all-time high yet again, and based on the price action, we could potentially see it much higher. Now we'll pull up the S&P futures right here, as they are moving up considerably higher here after hours as well. Nice decent move up, fair amount of volume here for the time of day. Now tomorrow going forward, as I've said in the last video that I did for the S&P, I will be looking for a breakout continuation above this 240.73 now. I did not take any kind of trades in here in this whole range, which there were several missed opportunities, but that's okay. Wasn't my plan. I didn't want to do anything inside of these levels. I want to pull up the weekly chart here real quick. Still had this huge indecision red candle here from last week. Tremendous amount of volume to confirm there were a lot of participants in this week, and it's just kind of implies that we were going to be in a range. Now looks like we may only be in that range for last week, as today's candle did push us up 2 highs, and now this is a fairly reliable type of breakout pattern. You essentially had to push up into highs, hit some resistance, came down, put in a low, tried to come up, put in a higher low, came all the way back up to all-time highs again, and now anyone who's shorting versus this level, depending on how many there are, if it goes up any higher, may get another short squeeze and push to all-time highs again. Now I'm only going to take bullish trades because there's nothing on the charts that says to be bearish at the moment. So anyone who's shorting, good luck to you. You may be able to make money on it, but why would you scalp for nickels and dimes when you can just buy and hold for dollars? Anyways, going forward here, this could be resistance, which if it doesn't trigger me in and confirms to be resistance, that's okay. But now that I'm up here, or price is up here I should say, plan going forward tomorrow, I will look for a long over 240.76, and the stop is going to be below this 240.5. I say 240.5 because I want to give it a little bit of room. 25 cents is not too much. If price does confirm and move higher, this VWAP will come up and theoretically should hold buyers in support, pushing price up even higher. Did close on a nice spike in volume there on 6.5 million shares in a 15-minute red topping candle, so it could pull back, and if it does, then I will reevaluate my position. The level that I would be watching for to hold 240, because it's a nice round number, but I'm going to go with the price touches here at 239.80, and I would look for a potential support entry there. Because now that it has made new highs, it tells me that there are still buyers willing to buy highs, and therefore pushing the price up. So any kind of pullbacks should theoretically be bought, and I will keep an eye on that going forward. Likely we'll do this with some call options, weeklies, maybe next week's. We'll see what can happen. This is my trade plan for tomorrow.